So how difficult is it to create a layout like this and have it be sold if this was your book? Well, let's find out by using the easy Flipbook Creator software. So we're going to go and create Hutton Real Estate Services. I do have a cover. And we're going to make it free. Well, we could also sell it if we want, but let's just go free. All right, and then let's delete the first page because that's really the cover. Let's go to the back here. All right, and let's preview. Well, look at that. It only took a couple of seconds. What if we wanted to blur these pages because we're selling them? Well, let's go into our Flipbook settings and let's mark it blurred and let's mark it paid. $10.99. Oh, it's not blurred. Well, yes, it is blurred. What happens if I click this? Well, it asks me to pay. And then it just moves me to PayPal. All right, but what if I wanted to change the order of the pages? What if I don't want this to be this 4th and 5th? Well, simply take this, drag it, and that's it. What if I need a preloader? Okay, let's add a preloader. Let's go into our advanced options and let's add a preloader. Well, why don't we also upload on logos since we're at it? So let's add a logo. And now let's preview it. Well, look at that. Now we have a logo. And there's a logo here. But what if we want to add a link on this map, taking me to the home page of the website? Okay, let's remove the blur for now. And the preloader. Let's go into our page layout. And actually, let's add the link to this map here. Let's click Edit. And we're going to add the link. Let's just say to this particular listing right here. We're going to paste this in. We're going to add a button called Register Now. Save it. And preview it. Well, look at that. It takes me right to it. But what if I wanted to add this listing without using Photoshop? Well, let's save this image. Actually, better yet, let's just copy the image address of the image. And let's rip this image right from the page. So let's add a page. Let's image rip and paste this image. And let's crop the image right here. And let's see if we can do something else. What if I don't like that image? Let's take this image. Let's save it on our hard drive. That's a WebP image. Okay. What if actually we want to do a different image? let's actually take this image, let's save it, and let's re-upload this image. Okay, so red images may require cropping. All right, let's crop it. But you know what? I like only this area, so let's crop that. And you know what? Now let's link it to the listing. So now we're going to link it to this listing. Let's move this as the third page. And let's add another blank page. And let's add a description. So let's go text only. And let's just copy all this text here. And let's paste it in here like so. We'll probably need a title. All right, let's take this. Oh, we also have a video. Maybe we should add a video. All right. Let's add a video in here as well then. But let's see what it looks like first. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's add a video in here. Let's take this one here. All right, so we have a video. Let's preview the page again. All right, so now we're ready to sell. And this is how quickly and easily it is to create your very own interactive flipbooks to sell your products or to link out. For more information, hit me up on Facebook or linkedin.com/in/MarcinMigdal. We are looking for beta testers at this point to help us grow our software. Thanks for watching.